Hello and welcome to my tutorial. If you're viewing this, it means that you've bought one of my Canva templates. Thank you so much for supporting my store. And today I just want to go over a few different things so that you're able to edit the wedding kit as you want to and make sure my instructions here are very clear. So the first thing you need to do when you pay for the template and download this instruction sheet is go to canva.com and sign up for a free account. It'll ask you if you want to do a free trial of the Plus account, but it is not necessary at all to do the editing for these templates. So if it's something you want to give a try, go ahead, but it is definitely not necessary. And once you have downloaded Canva, you need to go ahead and create your free account. And then scroll down here where we have the links to the actual documents. So this first link actually has the save the date, bridal party invitations, wedding invitations, bachelorette party invitations, and bachelor party invitations, all in this one group. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it and show you what it'll look like when you pull it up. So the first thing it does is tell you that the template was created by me, Megan Smith, and was shared with you. And you can go ahead down here and click on Use Template. It might come up a little faster on my computer because I'm the one that actually made it, but it could take a little while to download on yours, so just be aware of that. And starting with the very first one, we have the wedding invitation, and you'll most likely need to change the names. So just go ahead and double click on the text box right here, and to change the names, just highlight it and type in whatever you want. Say Scott and Mary. Simple enough. Simple enough. And then if you wanted to make any additional changes, say you weren't happy with the color of the font, or you wanted to see the invitation in a different font, all you have to do is go ahead and click on whatever text box you would like to change. The font is listed over here. You can select any of the fonts that are available. These ones that have crowns are from the Canva Plus, the premium account. But any of the fonts that are on the invitation, you'll be able to use for free. So you can also use any of the ones without the crown for free. So say you wanted to see this in McKinley, just go ahead and click on it and see it changes. And if you happen to like that change, go ahead and save it. Now we'll go down to the next one, save the date. Now this one, you're probably going to be wanting to change the picture. And the easiest way to do this is to click on the frame first and just move it slightly down, so we're not changing the frame along with the shot. So just click on the shot next and hit the delete button. That gives you this open frame to put a picture in. From there you can go to uploads on the left hand side and choose any image you like. So you just go to upload media, pick out a picture of the couple that you like. I chose this for our example. You would click open, but I already have it in my Canva uploads. And then you just click on the image, drag it over, and once you get this picture-in-picture effect, you can go ahead and release that button and it'll fit itself into the circle there, and then we can just click on this and bring it right up back to where it belonged. So now you have a save the date announcement with the happy couple, and we already discussed how to change the wording, so you can change the names, fonts, colors if you wish, and then scroll on down to the next one. And the rest of them follow suit. So if you want to make a name change, address change, anything like that, it follows the same simple text instructions from above. And we have the bachelor and bachelorette invitations with this group. There is a second grouping that has the thank you notes, and then the final one has the RSVP and registry. And you can edit both of those templates the same way we did with the invitation templates above. So if you have any extra questions, I do have all the written instructions here at the top of the page that you will get when you make your purchase. But I'm always available too if you would like to send me a direct message through Etsy. I would be more than happy to work through any difficulties you may be having. And once you have everything set the way you would like it, you have the choice of how to print them. Canva has an option that actually allows you to print invitations through their site. You would just go to print cards. It's going to give you a mock-up of how it will look, single-sided or double-sided, and you can go ahead and make your selections and print directly through Canva. You can also go over here and download all of your changes, and it's going to recommend a PDF print, which is a great format for printing invitations. The only other one I would recommend would be the PNG, but if you do the PNG, make sure that your quality is all the way up, so it's as crisp and clear as possible. And then you would just go ahead and hit download. And once you have them downloaded to your computer, you are more than welcome to upload them to another printing service, or you may buy a blank invitation kit from Joann's or online and go ahead and print the invitations onto that cardstock. So you have a lot of different options, and you're free to do whatever you feel is best for yourself. And just as if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much for making your purchase. I hope you love it as much as I did making it, and I hope you'll continue to shop. Thank you very much. Have a great day.